one is going to be about Ghanaian history, and that's why I'm currently at the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. I'm going to be going through all the sections of this place. It has a museum, all the monuments and all of that, and from here I'll be going to the Arts Center. So, happy learning. So the Memorial Center is just adjacent to the Supreme Court of Appeal that I showed you in the last video. And immediately you enter into the compound, you're going to see an array of statues. And they are statues of music players, 14 of them playing on one a drum player and another one playing a form of guitar. And after those is a statue of the late Mr. Kwame himself. And this ark over here is where he was buried. Inside of this ark he has his grave there. I'm going to show you that in a bit. And here, I assume this is the car he drove when he was alive. I'm not very sure, and that's the first problem I have here. There are no markers to tell you exactly what is what or what the symbolism of X, Y, and Z is, and there is also no map to direct you on where to go to, and that's basically the problem I have immediately I walked into this place. But so far, it's looking like an interesting place. At the back of this ark is another statue of Dr. Nkrumah, but without the head. The head is here. And the reason why the head is separate from the body is that in 1966, this was actually the original statue of Dr. Nkrumah, not the one outside there. This is the original one, and it was in front of the old parliamentary building. So, but there was a coup in 1966, and while all the shooting was going on, one of the bullets hit the head, and so the head fell off the body of the statue to the ground. Then a woman picked it up, the head, and kept it in her house from 1966 to 2009 when she donated it back to the park. So that's why the head is separate from the body. So when she returned it, they had to build a separate monument for the head. They're still looking for the hair. It doesn't have, as you can see, there's no hair. This hair is gone and the other hair is also gone. And they're looking also for the fingers. So they're asking about if anyone has found those so that they can also put them back in place. So that's why the statue looks like this. Okay, so that's basically everything outside. I'm going into the museum now to see if we can... Wait. Oh. No videos allowed. So I'm under the ark now, and this is where late Mr. Kwame was buried. So that's the tomb in all of its view. But to the right, well, depending on how you come into this place, there is a tomb of his wife. That's Mrs. Fatia Nkrumah. She's called the mother of Pan-Africanism. And I don't know, like I'm not judging, but like the tomb just looks smaller and like I just thought it was someone else, you know, who might just be a member of the family or some other important person in Ghana also. But I didn't know it was the wife. I would have thought that it would be like another one beside it. But I guess they built this place first. I mean, he died in 1972. She died in 2007. So I guess this place was just basically developed for him and nobody else. But when she died, they had to just find somewhere for her. And so I'm now at the Accra Art Center. It's a place with a collection of several art pieces, including handmade bags, bracelets, bronze, and so many other stuff. So let me show you around. The art piece is made from banana leaves. Okay, so you dry the banana leaves.
Yeah.
And then
use it as a paint.
Okay, and then you paint on them.
Yeah.
So anytime there's a
Air blow. Yeah.
whenever the hair blows on them, the heads move. So there's like it's like an illusion effect. Yeah, that's really nice. So the art center is essentially divided into three parts. Immediately you enter to your right with this shop where they have a lot of leather, handmade bags and some artwork. And then to your left will be this one. It's a fabric store also, handmade. There is a whole lot to Ghana's history than 1 or 10 videos can ever showcase. So this was just my own tiny submission for today. I hope you liked it. If I have more time, I might still be covering more elements of the country's history in subsequent videos. So if you enjoyed this, please like, share, subscribe, do all of those things you've been doing to support the channel that I really, from the depths of my heart, appreciate. Thank you so much for being with me up till this time. And until the next one, you have just one life. Live it, love it. Bye.